Hello friends, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is utilization of electrical engineering MCQs on Unit 2 Electric Heating System. So now here we start. First question is the material of the heating element for the furnace should have. Options are low melting point, high temperature coefficient, high specific resistance and D is all of above. So option B is correct, that is high temperature coefficient. Means the material of the heating element for the furnace should have high temperature coefficient. Then second question is in induction heating is abnormally high. So options are phase angle, frequency, current and voltage. And the correct answer is option B, frequency. Means in induction heating frequency is abnormally high. Then question number third is for the transmission of heat from hot body to another. Options are A is temperature occurs, bodies must be different, both bodies must be solid, both bodies must be contact, all the bodies must have some source of heating. So option A is correct, that is temperature of the bodies must be different here of the bodies. Then next question is when a body reflects entire radiation incident on it, then it is known as white body, grey body, transparent body or black body. So option A is correct, that is white body. Means when a body reflects entire radiation incident on it, then it is known as white body. हा क्वेश्चन खूप कॉमन आहे आणि सर्वांनाच त्याचं आन्सर येऊ शकतं की कोणता कलर हा रेडिएशन रिफ्लेक्ट करतो तर व्हाईट बॉडी. व्हेन अ बॉडी रिफ्लेक्ट्स एंटायर रेडिएशन इन्सिडेंट ऑन इट देन इट इज नोन ॲज व्हाईट बॉडी. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज heat transfer by condition will not occur when. Options are A is bodies are kept in vacuum, B is bodies are immersed in water, C is bodies are exposed to thermal radiation, D is temperature of the two bodies are identical. Option D is correct, that is temperature of the two bodies are identical. Then a perfect black body is one that transmits all incident radiation. No, because transmits all incident radiation is a white body. Then absorb all incident radiation, deflects all incident radiation, or D is observe, reflects and transmit all incident radiation. So option B is correct, means black body absorb all incident radiations. Then next question is for heating element high resistivity material is chosen to reduce the length of heating element, increase the life of heating element, reduce the effect of oxidation and produce large amount of heat. So option A is correct, that is reduce the length of heating element. Means for heating element high resistivity material is chosen to reduce the length of heating element. Then next question is which of the following methods has the maximum power factor? Arc heating, dielectric heating, induction heating or resistance heating. So option D is correct, that is resistance heating. Then question number 9 is the electrode of a direct arc furnace is made of tungsten, graphite, silver or copper. So the electrode of a direct arc furnace is made of graphite. Option B is correct. Then next question is in an electric press mica is used as an insulator, as a device for factor improvement, for dielectric heating or for induction heating. So option A is correct. In an electric press mica is used as an insulator. Then in a resistance furnace the atmosphere is oxidizing, deoxidizing, reducing or neutral. So in a resistance furnace the atmosphere is oxidizing. Then next question is by the use of which of the following high frequency power supply for induction furnace can be obtained? Options are coreless transformer, current transformer, motor generator set, multiphase transformer. Option C is correct, that is motor generator set. Then next question is The temperature inside the furnace is measured by which of the following? Optical pyrometer, mercury thermometer, alcohol thermometer, or any of above. So the temperature inside the furnace is measured by which of the following is optical pyrometer. Means the temperature inside the furnace is measured by optical pyrometer. Next question is radiant heating is used for which of the following? Annealing for metals, melting of ferrous metal, heating of liquid in electric kettle, drying of paint and varnishes. Option D is correct, that is drying of paints and varnishes. Then induction heating takes place in which of the following? So option D is correct, that is conducting materials which are magnetic or may not be magnetic. Then question number 16th is in electric press mica is used because it is conductor of heat but and conductor of electricity. So option C is correct, that is good bad. In electric press mica is used because it is good conductor of heat but बॅड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीन्स मायका हा प्रेसमध्ये गुड कंडक्टर असतो हीटला बट बॅड कंडक्टर असतो इलेक्ट्रिसिटीला. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन अन इलेक्ट्रिक रूम हीट कन्व्हर्टर द मेथड. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन that is resistance heating. So next question is that is 18th question. For radiant heating around 2250 degrees Celsius, the heating element are made of copper alloy, carbon, tungsten alloy or stainless steel. So option C is correct, that is tungsten alloy. Then question number 19th is has the highest value of conductivity copper, aluminium, steel or brass. So copper has the highest value of conductivity. Option A is correct. Then question number 20th is direct arc furnace have which of the following power factor? Unity, low, lagging, low leading or any of above. So direct arc furnace have low and lagging power factor. Option B is correct. So तर आज आपण युनिट 2चे हे MCQs बघितले आहेत. युनिट 1, 3, 4 आणि 5 also 6. All the unit wise MCQs are available on this channel and the JB Gupta book MCQs also available and their descriptive material available. Also all the subjects MCQs and their description with their explanation is available in this channel. Also the practicals of electrical estimation and switchgear and protection and fundamentals of electrical engineering MCQs all the available in this on this channel. So today thank you.